are putting question marks over what the government's been up to. Manish Bariyar backs the government. Pankaj is pro-Congress. Anmol is national spokesperson AAP, and Captain Randhawa, President Federation of Indian Pilots. You are ignoring one thing and emphasizing another. Don't think you are too smart. You see? No. I will not allow you. No.
You have to allow me.
No. You are. They are trying. No. Not at all. You see, the simple point is, Pankaj, in America, people are investigating Boeing.
You are not fixing accountability.
In India, we are investigating the Indian pilot. We are calling we are troubling and harassing and torturing. We are torturing the 91-year-old father. We are torturing the 91-year-old father of Captain Sabharwal. We are calling for investigation, Pankaj. The young pilot nephew of Captain Sabharwal. We are troubling the pilot. The father has lost his son. कोई शांति नहीं है उनके लिए. हमको बोइंग को क्लीन चिट देके पायलट को किसी तरह से उनको घुमाना है. क्या जल्दी है? What is the need? What is the need? Tell me.
You are wrong.
I am absolutely right and on the ball. I am absolutely right and on the ball.
And that's very unfortunate.
Pankaj,
the report has not come. Government has not given any clean chit. Government has not blamed the pilot. All this humbug has no meaning. Now, when the report submitted to the US Senate was clearly exposed that the aircraft had a documented history of repeated technical failures related to engineering, manufacturing, quality, and maintenance. Why our government is not taking up this matter very strongly with the Boeing company and as well as with the US administration?
You are not privy to it. Probably you are not
this kind of criminal cover. This kind of criminal cover.
Pankaj ji, you are not privy to everything. In fact, there are global regulators. They are checking everything. In fact, our accident bureau is there. In fact, the reports have not come.
$5 billion. $5 billion
What are you saying?
By Federal Aviation Administration and Department of Justice.
Okay, so आज Federal Aviation, in fact, बहुत बड़ा holy cow हो गया. कभी last 5 साल पहले we never used to really, 1 साल पहले we would never, in fact, look at them. We will not look at them, all those Western media writers' reports.
Even last year in July,
what kind of things you are saying? Are you not aware that...
One minute.
For misleading regulators during the certification of...
We would take up a writer's report and make a program out of it. Absolutely rubbish.
They paid billions in fines and compensation to avoid trials and imprisonment of its director and other officials.
They should. I have all the sympathies. In fact, the people, the relatives, they have the right to know the truth.
No, you're not doing a favor. May I please, you see, the thing is, I have no bone in this fight. The question is this.